Peace and blessings, everybody. Welcome back to our videos. I hope you guys like them. I really do. In this video, I am going to be cleaning out the refrigerator. Not a deep cleaning, but kind of like a light, mild wipe down, get rid of a lot of stuff because unfortunately, I have a lot of stuff from Thanksgiving. I'm so embarrassed to say that.
First impression, UOPN.
Oh my God, yes, that is pizza from Saturday night when we went out after our Mirror's play date. Don't judge me, guys, but it was in there since Saturday.
Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, UOPN. We should be closer than friends. If UOPN.
Yes, that is my little helper. One of my kids is home sick today, so I decided to clean today. I no longer waste sick days on the kids and just sit home. I try to get something done that's in the house.
If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up.
If you notice, we have extra eggs and extra eggnog because the refrigerator was filled with so much stuff that I didn't even realize what I had in there, and I went food shopping and I bought double.
Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN. Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN. Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN. Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda.
How often do you guys clean your refrigerator out? I think I try to do mine every time I go food shopping, and then do a nice deep clean maybe once a month or once every other month, just to kind of get all the germs and stuff out. But put in the comments of how often do y'all clean your refrigerator out?
Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up, open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up, open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up, open, open.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.